Hello everyone, my name is Ascardian, and this is Financial Tips Channel. If you think the future of cryptocurrency is just buying Bitcoin and waiting for it to go up, you are in the wrong era. We are in 2026. And the story is no longer about digital currencies. It is about the tokenization of the real economy. Today, we are not going to talk about cheap speculation. We are going to talk about real business. About how decentralized finance, DeFi, and RWA real-world assets have merged the world of Wall Street with blockchain. I have been analyzing data from sources like CoinMarketCap and major venture capitals. And the trend is clear. Smart money is not looking for meme coins, it is looking for real-world yields within the blockchain. Today I bring you my top 10 crypto investments for the first half of 2026, focused purely on RWA and DeFi, including gems that are exploding right now like Hype and the king of lending, AAVE. And at the end, as always, 5 stocks from the US market that are pure play for this year. Let's get straight to the point. Context, the new economy. To understand the top 10, you have to understand the why. In 2025 and 2026, interest rates have changed the game. Your bank no longer gives you 5% on your money. That money has moved to the blockchain. What is an RWA? A real-world asset is a real-world asset. US Treasury bonds, real estate company invoices, credit, which is converted into a token on the blockchain. Before getting a loan took you weeks at the bank. Now, in 2026, you put your AAVE or your tokenized assets as collateral in a DeFi protocol, and you have liquidity in seconds. DeFi is no longer for cyberpunks. It is for companies, for governments, and for you. It allows you to have custody of your money, but earn the interest that used to stay with the intermediary banks. This is what makes these projects the best investments right now. Real utility. Top 10 RWA and DeFi cryptocurrencies. Let's go with the list. Remember, this is market analysis, not financial advice. But these are the projects moving volume in 2026. Number 10. MakerDAO, MKR. The grandfather of RWA, Maka was the first to put US Treasury bonds inside the blockchain to back its DAI coin. In 2026, they are one of the largest financial entities in the world. If you bet on Maker, you are betting that governments will use DeFi to manage their debt. Number 9. Lido DAO LDO. Everything revolves around staking, that is, making your cryptos work. Lido allows you to liquidate your staked assets. It is the base for pension funds to invest in Ethereum without locking up their money. It is the lubricant of institutional DeFi. Number 8. Ethana Labs, ENA. We arrive at synthetic DeFi. Ethana created a synthetic dollar that pays high yields derived from crypto futures markets. In 2026, it is the preferred savings account for millennials because it offers returns that no traditional bank can match. Number 7. Centrifuge, CFG, if you want pure RWA. This is the project. They tokenize illiquid assets, company invoices, music royalties, inventories. It allows SMEs to finance themselves by issuing tokens on the blockchain without asking for a loan from a bank. It is a pure bridge between the real economy and the chain. Number 6. Pendle. Pendle. This is for advanced traders. Pendle allows you to trade the yield. They separate the asset from the interest it generates. In a volatile rate market like 2026, being able to bet on what bonds will pay in the future is a goldmine. It is the risk management tool par excellence. Number 5. Chainlink Link. I know it seems basic, but without Chainlink, RWA does not exist. How does the smart contract know that the treasury bond paid the coupon? Chainlink brings that data from the real world to the chain. It is critical infrastructure. If the RWA world grows, Link grows with it. Asterisk at number 4. Uniswap Uni. If Robinhood is for retail, Uniswap is for professionals. In 2026, its latest version has allowed creating custom markets in seconds. It is where new RWAs are traded. It is the largest and most liquid decentralized exchange in the world. Number 3. Ondo Finance. Ondo, the kings of institutionalization. Ondo brings high-quality financial products, like bonds from major asset managers, to the chain. If you want to invest like a hedge fund would, but from your couch, you buy Ondo products. It is the institutional gateway. Number 2. AEVE. The king of money. AB evolved from being a simple lender to being a liquidity portal. Now you can lend and borrow practically any asset, including tokenized RWAs. It is too big to fail in DeFi. If there is a decentralized bank, this is AB. Special analysis. HYPE number 1 and now. The jewel in the crown that many have asked me for. The number 1 of the top 10, and it is a pure bet on performance and technology. Number 1. Hyperliquid dollar hype. Why is HYPE my number 1 bet for the first half of 2026? While everyone was looking at Ethereum or Solana, Hyperliquid built its own Layer 1 optimized specifically for one thing: to be the best exchange in the world. Hyperliquid has achieved the impossible. It feels like Binance or Coinbase centralized, fast, but it is 100% decentralized. Your money is in your wallet, not on the exchange. What sets it apart is its on-chain order book. In most old DeFi, swaps were slow or the price was bad. On Hyperliquid, you trade at the speed of light. But it's not just trading. They now have a decentralized app store where any developer can launch a finance app using their liquidity. The HYPE token acts as fuel for this network. The more people use the exchange to operate, the more valuable the token becomes due to its deflation and governance mechanisms. For the investor who wants exposure to active trading and high technology, HYPE is the star asset of this moment. It is the Web3 Robinhood, but owned by the users. Bonus. 5 stocks on the stock market USA. If you prefer the traditional market and want to avoid managing private keys, here are 5 top companies based on data from Investing and Yahoo Finance. 1. Coinbase Global Coin. Inevitable. After the resolution of its legal battle with the SEC in previous years, Coinbase is the largest legal on-ramp in the USA. Furthermore, its Layer 2, called Base, is one of the fastest growing DeFi ecosystems in 2026. 2. MicroStrategy MSTR. It remains the most aggressive way to bet on Bitcoin on the stock market. They hold more Bitcoin than any country except the USA and El Salvador. If the price of BTC goes up, MSTR usually rises proportionally more due to the leverage of its corporate structure. 3. Robinhood Markets Hood, beyond being an app for stocks. In 2026, Robinhood is a crypto wallet giant. Its focus on young users and its integration with DeFi protocols in the background has allowed it to capture a massive market of crypto and options transactions. 4. Marathon Digital Holdings MARA. It represents the mining sector. But in 2026, they are not just Bitcoin miners. They are energy providers for AI data centers. This synergy between crypto mining and AI cooling makes them a two-pronged technology bet. 5. Block Inc. SQ, Jack Dorsey's company. Its main business, Cash App, is the easiest tool for the average American to buy Bitcoin. But beyond that, they are developing decentralized mining solutions and payment processing that integrate Bitcoin's Lightning Network for merchants. Conclusion. There you have it. The 2026 landscape is clear. Real assets are WA and efficient DeFi like HYPE or AAVER, where real innovation lies. It is not about looking for the next digital dog to go viral. It is about putting your capital where real money flows: tokenized bonds, decentralized loans, and next-generation exchanges. If this analysis has given you a clearer view of where to invest your time and money, give the video a like and subscribe. Quality financial information is the best competitive advantage you can have. Tell me in the comments, do you dare to try Hyperliquid, or do you prefer the safety of RWAs like Ondo? I read every comment for the next video. Until next time, and may the markets be in your favor.